Winter doesn't care how hard you work. Snow builds, ice locks everything in place, and gravity waits. What makes the difference isn't strength, it's smart design, controlled power, and the right machines. This is how technology keeps winter under control. One smooth pull is all it takes. A guided chute sends tons of rooftop snow sliding down in a controlled flow. Fast, clean, and powerful with zero chaos below. Forget hammers and shovels that destroy shingles. Steam turns ice removal into surgical work. At nearly 300 degrees, vapor slices through massive ice blocks like a hot knife through butter. Fast, damage-free, and strangely satisfying to watch. Once again, windows clear, roofs breathe, and another homeowner gets a clean reset. The rope method never gets old. One pull and the sound of snow collapsing speaks for itself. When a standard blower isn't enough, industrial muscle steps in. A dual auger beast pushing over 200 horsepower doesn't clear snow, it dominates it. Pure overkill, and exactly what these conditions demand. You can almost feel the entire house exhale afterward. Now imagine clearing your roof 3 times in 2 weeks. 10 feet of packed snow, bone-deep exhaustion. Shoveling meters of ice isn't winter maintenance, it's survival. Most houses wouldn't still be standing at this point. This isn't snow removal, it's industrial warfare. A Cat C18 engine delivers 575 horsepower, burning fuel to throw over 5,000 tons of snow per hour, launching it 50 meters away. Built for airports and critical infrastructure, this Oshkosh proves one thing clearly: winter only wins when machines stop. Two-stage force replaces chaos with precision. Endless torque, relentless momentum. Frozen disorder turns into clean pavement in a single roaring pass.
This roaring pass.
This Scania isn't stock steel. It's Arctic-tested muscle. Norwegian modifications dial in blade angles and torque for January at its worst, carving white roads back into black asphalt with ruthless efficiency. In zero visibility conditions, a John Deere X758 keeps moving. Steady throttle, tight control. Snow flies like exhaust from a small engine. Winter doesn't care, and neither does the operator. Far north, near Nordkapp, snow milling operations run non-stop through wind and whiteout to keep the route alive. Specialized machines cut deep accumulation and blast it aside, reopening lanes one pass at a time.
Lane for traffic.
Even railways fight back. With a plow leading the charge, trains explode through walls of snow, turning brutal winter into a spectacle of raw machinery. Backyard engineering still holds its own. A DIY snow cutter clears up to 20 inches from a 4,000 square foot roof, a job that normally takes days finished in just 6 hours. Simple design, smart leverage, maximum result.
Just 6 hours.
Then comes pure mechanical violence. A Cat D7 faces 10 inches of solid ice head-on. No finesse, just unstoppable force. Tracked machines like the Sisu N140 don't flinch. Mud, snow, broken terrain, the articulated body glides forward, hauling people and supplies where roads no longer exist. Engineering that feels almost fearless.
Absolutely clean window.
Move there.
Sometimes the mistake is timing. This should have been done earlier before the snow stacked too deep. Modern automated blowers now clear driveways, parking lots, and public areas with speed and consistency. Built tough, reliable, and ready for real winter work, even on uneven icy surfaces buried under dense snow. Then comes that sound. The sharp crack of ice collapsing under the bucket. Months of packed snow finally breaking apart like dry crackers. The weight lifts. Winter resets. Some drifts aren't cleared, they're conquered. A Fend 820 paired with a heavy front blade bites in. Weight meets steel. Forest roads turn clean again under steady lights, cutting through the white chaos.
Insane and fun to run too, right? Sometimes, all it takes is a rope. One clean pull sends tons sliding down in seconds. No ladders, no risk, just smart technique turning danger into controlled power. And sometimes, people just laugh through the chaos. White powder everywhere. The most fun winter workout imaginable.
Jumala, paljon jäi peale.
Watching experts work in extreme conditions, chainsaws roaring, wind howling feels lonely but powerful. Man versus nature, played out in snow and steel.
Firewood. Firewood.
Hard-packed snow doesn't negotiate. One clean cut. Gravity takes over. A serious winter hazard disappears in seconds. Then raw horsepower returns. Engines roar through white hell, swallowing snow like it never stood a chance. Every rotation is mechanical force pushing winter aside. At speed, visibility vanishes. Blades scream. This isn't luck, it's nerve, precision, and total winter control.
Who said snow removal happened?
Classic machines still command respect. Old designs, proven strength. Watch them work, and it's easy to understand why they remain legends. This is exactly why winter engineering never stops evolving.